Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. And for today, we are in the FC because I am here for the Watsons event. And this outfit check. I know there's another bus stop, like at the back of the mall, where you go directly to the mall. But I wanted to go here para mas mabilis na din, mas malapit. So yes, I'm going to go there with my friend. And the event will start at 4 and ends at 7. But I have to go home by 6 or 5. So let's see what time we'll go home and what are the things that we are going to do there. So I think it's already 1, I believe. It's already 1 p.m. But I guess we're going to eat first. We're going to eat first, maybe in IKEA or in the food court. So I'll update you guys later. Bye! Hi guys, so I went to Carrefour and just bought some stuff that my mom told me to buy. And now I'm just roaming around since my friend said that she's already coming. And I heard that Miniso already has like PT21. So I want to go see that. And I'm almost there. We're here. Oh my god! I want to see. Here's the collection. Oh my god, it's so cute. I really want these tumblers. Oh my god. It's so cute. Here are the others. And I don't know if I should buy a keychain or that one. Like, I want to buy something for a gift. But there's like too much. I don't know which one to buy. I don't think I'll be buying something from BT21 for now. Because I wanted to buy it for my boyfriend. But I don't know which one he wants or what he wants. So maybe I'll just go here with him next time and buy the thing that he wants. Right now I'm in the stuffed toy collection. And I really want this one. It's Rex. How much are you? He's 42 dirhams. I really want to buy Rex, but it's kind of expensive. And I don't think it's like worth the price since it's like kind of small. I also wanted to buy for my boyfriend, but it's not in the budget. So I'm just going to look around, I guess. And then, yeah, I'll come back here with him. And yeah. I'm going to leave because I'm just tempting myself. Hi guys, we're here.
Hi guys.
Hi vlogger na
Hi
ako.
vlogger. Hi.
So, ano?
Hi camera.
Okay. So we're going to Miniso na kasi papakita ko sa niya BT21. And then after nun, kakain na kami sa IKEA guys. See you later.
IKEA. Pilipino nga naman IKEA.
Tipid.
Ang sakit ng boses ko.
Bakit?
Oo. Kasi mainit.
Mainit.
Uy, gagi ko kaya maglakad.
Joke lang. Okay guys, update you guys later. Guys, nasa IKEA na po kami. And we're going to eat. We bought meatballs, dynamite, and Damski.
Okay guys, vlog takeover. So what we're eating right now is meatballs with mashed potatoes and meatballs with rice with dynamite and cake. Ganyan kasi mag-vlog.
Okay, sorry na. So, kakain na kami guys kasi gutom na kami. Hi guys. So, tapos na po kami kumain.
Hindi na po namin alam kung gagawin.
Yes, kasi it's pa lang, 3 p.m. pa lang. Eh mamayang 4 p.m. pa lang yung yung start ng event. So, gagala muna kami ng 1 oras.
Saan tayo ikot? Dito. Ikot
na ako. Okay, uwi na tayo.
Nandun yung boat. Paulit-ulit ako.
Mali pala. Mali yung
Anong gagawin?
Hindi ko din alam.
Ano ba kasi dito pa talaga?
Bakit ba? Nandito yung event eh.
Di sana Dubai Mall eh. Di sana nandun
Gusto
tayo
mo
sa
Sephora
Chinese.
taro? Taro?
Saan ang Sephora? Doon, diba?
Oo,
Libre
libre mo
diba? Yun mo.
Libre mo ako.
Yung
Mo ako. Shopping spree mo ako doon. Sugar mom yarn. Sugar mom.
Bakit sa akin? Yung No.
Ay, parang tanga yan.
Ayoko na sa'yo. Gago ka.
Okay guys, so yun.
Gusto mo mag-box pero sa labas tayo manood.
Ano yan?
Diyan lang. Ayun na spin. Gago. Punta ka ganun lang tayo.
Ayun daw oh.
Ganun lang tayo, nakatungan.
Pinapanood mo na yung mga trailers.
Oo, ganun lang. Hindi,
Yun yung
hintayin mo lang, may movie din
May
yan.
ano, may
Pagkatapos
masabi.
ng mga trailers, di ba, may
Oo.
movie?
May masabi lang na nanood ka ng box. Pero sa labas mismo ng box.
Hindi, may movie din yan. Trailers
Talaga
lang
ba?
yan. Oo.
Tangin naman, nauuto ako sa'yo. Hayop ka.
Ayaw mo yun, may entertaining dyan. May entertaining. Ayun, Deborah.
Ayun guys, so iikot lang muna kami.
Ikot tayo. Ayun na, nakita na natin yung na tayo.
Ito na! Andiyan mo to! So, update you guys later. Kasi, ikot muna kami ng 1 hour. Tapos, saka pa kami makakapag-Watsons. Bye guys! Guys, uy! So, ano, so it's, ano na, pa 6 p.m. and ganyan pa lang kami pupunta sa Watsons. Kasi pumunta na kami kanina. Pero, ano, 4 p.m. kami pumunta, okay. Tapos sabi ng mga staff na ano daw, ano yung 6 p.m. pa daw yung event. Kaya ngayon 6 p.m. na. We're going to go here. Those are the ano. We're going to ask kung ano meron. Kasi, ano, kung ano na meron sa event or what. Kasi kanina pa kami pa ikot-ikot dito. We're waiting for the event to happen. Pero wala talaga, ano daw, 6 daw talaga. So, we'll ask muna kung anong gagawin. Kung ano yung event. Bumil! Ay, ang tanga! Joke lang.
We can try one more.
One more daw.
There's no loser in my game.
Oh.
Everyone is winning. My game is
So, ito yung games, guys. Traditional daw to. Traditional game. Ay, pwede, may ano pala ako. May 0.5 pala ako.
You go. Go?
Second go, dali, dali. Ano yung gift? Ano yung gift? No, okay guys, nanalo kami. Uy, why you here? Thank you! So, ito na yung games, guys. Alis na agad. Hindi nyo kaya. May gift kami kahit na natalo kami. May free gift na dito sa alis. Mga bano. Buraot. Hi guys, so ayun lang yung games. Isa lang. Which is
Not an event.
yeah. Ano naman, mapagbigay naman sila. Siguro ano
naman
kasi,
kami.
siguro ano kasi, walang tao, kaya kahit talo ka, binibigyan ka na lang. So,
Siguro kasi walang masyadong may alam.
oo. So, siguro pag uwi ko na lang ulit,
Pero
ipapakita.
sabi nila, di ba, dapat bibili muna.
Oo.
Pero, nauto namin.
Hindi kasi, kung bibili ka, kunwari, sabihin natin 50 or 60 yung nakuha mo. Is it worth it? Na ito makukuha mo?
Hindi, may free makeover ka din eh.
Ano naman?
Anyways.
Okay, anyway. So, pag uwi ko na lang ipapakita kung ano yung mga na-receive ko from them. And then, uwi na kami! Ayun lang guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.